welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you a little bit of my camp kitchen, basically my cooking system. Alright, my camp kitchen consists of these two things. This is my kitchen box where I keep my cooking equipment, cutleries and my dry food in there. And this is of course a chiller, or what we call an icebox, where I keep all my fresh food in there that need to be kept cold. So first off, the kitchen box. Okay, so this is my really simple and humble kitchen box. Let me show you inside. Oops, guilty pleasure. Let me put that away, not gonna show you that. Okay, so this is basically my camp kitchen. What you see right now is everything I need whenever I go camping. Let me just put this right here. Let's talk about my cooking system. Now I do have a few basic cooking systems whenever I go camping, and I use them interchangeably depending on where I go, how lazy I am, and it all depends on the situation. Okay, so these are my basic cooking system when I go camping. I'm gonna go through one by one. So let's start off with this one. This is basically the simplest and most convenient gas stove. I believe this is one of the most common and popular gas stove that about 90% of campers in Malaysia would use, because they are so cheap, they're small, they're portable, they're widely available anywhere, any store or online stores. And well, this is popular for a very good reason. It's user-friendly and it's reliable. I've been using this for about 3 years now, still functioning well. So all you need to do is just open this up and open this up. Additionally, you need to have butane gas, and this can be purchased anywhere, even online. So whenever you want to cook something, just plug this in, turn on the gas, and then you start cooking away. Simple, fast, cheap, easy.
And when you are done cooking, it is also extremely easy to remove the gas, fold them back in, and then keep it back into its small little pouch.
So my next cooking system is this cute little compact cooking set, which I purchased online 2 years plus ago when I first started out camping in Sabah. I was in Sabah for about 2 years plus, working there. So that's when I started camping all over Sabah, and this was my sole companion throughout my camping days in Sabah. It comes in a really nice, attractive looking little pouch. Oh, I forgot to mention the brand is Alox. Yeah, I will show you. When you open it, it consists of a few pieces of equipment. So two main vessels. I usually use this to boil water, or to cook instant noodles, or occasionally to cook rice. Basically anything in this. This is so versatile. And this is basically a small little pan. Look at how cute it is. I use it to, fry eggs, scramble eggs. You can cook anything in it, and it also serves as a lid So in the pouch, let me just take out all the pieces. That's it, empty. Alright. This is basically an alcohol stove, and this is the alcohol cylinder, which I keep in this plastic bag.
To use the alcohol stove, you need to have the right fuel. A few types of alcohol that can be used are denatured alcohol, methanol, or isopropyl alcohol. The one I'm using is 99% isopropyl alcohol, which has worked perfectly fine. As the alcohol stove does not produce as much heat as a butane gas stove, I always end up modifying it into a slow heating system to brew my coffee in a mocha pot. Okay, it wouldn't be fair if I didn't show you the proper way of using this whole cooking set. Now, the alcohol cylinder is supposed to be placed at the base, and then the windshield can be latched on to the base. And once you get the fire going, go ahead and put the tray on. And last but not least, of course, the cooking pot. And there you have it, a complete cooking system. I personally find this very, very cute.
Okay, moving on to my next cooking system. Collapsible pan stove. It is also very cute, which can be bent and folded into something awesome. Oh, something is stuck in there. Oh yeah, I know what it is. Oh man. It's my Lilin Oscar. Okay, so it's a little bit dirty because it's been used a few times, but basically I can put it into this shape or this shape depending on how big or how small my heating vessel is, and you can either use hexamine fuel tablets, which is basically this, what we usually call lilin askar in Malaysia. Lights up really fast. Put it over here, and I will usually use it I will put my small little metal cup and just directly boil water over this, and this one cube can definitely boil a big mug of water, no issue. Or if you don't want to use this, you could also use firewood, small little twigs. Just put it over here, let it burn, and put your cooking vessel over. Easy. This is what I usually use when I go for short hiking trips, because it's really small, portable, and lightweight. Okay, my next and last cooking system is, of course, Campfire, an actual fire. I do not always make fire because it depends on where I camp. Certain campsites allow you to make fire, and certain campsites don't. So be sure to ask the campsite management about this before you actually make fire. This is a portable pocket grill that can be used together with any gas stove basically, and also actual fire. This opens up. This is consists of several rods which you put together and eventually form a cute little grill.
This is an old video clip showing how easy it is to assemble this portable grill. Put it directly over a fire, place a cooking pot over it or a frying pan over it. You can also have a barbecue, grill a tortilla wrap, basically anything. Extremely versatile. And if you make fire, you could wrap just about anything in an aluminum foil and chuck it into the fire. Grill some veggies, grill some meat, or even place your frying pan directly over the fire. And that's about it. Those are my basic cooking systems whenever I go camping. Nothing great, nothing fancy, just simple, basic, and functional. Moving on, let me show you what else I have in my camp kitchen box.
This is my mocha pot for coffee. This is a mug, bowls. This is my cutlery bag, fork and spoon, and chopsticks and knife and ladle. You know, the bare necessities. Oh, and this is originally a steamer, but when I looked at the design and did more research online, I realized that it can be repurposed and used as a fire pit because it opens up like this. And if you go to campsites which don't allow fires, you can just use this and make a small little fire and cook something on top. Oh, and I also have a small little bowl, which I seldom use, quite honestly, because if I go camping alone, I usually eat straight from my cute little pot. This is my beverage / spice box, where I keep my coffee, ground coffee, and some tea, green tea, some instant drink. This is ginger milk tea, instant espresso, salt, pepper, paprika, all these packets of chili sauce from, you know, KFC, fried onion. You know, whenever you have instant noodles, this is mandatory. And bottle opener. Yeah, so that is my cute little beverage spice box. Let's move on to the Icebox, which is an essential part of my camp kitchen. This is also something really cheap and affordable, which I got online. It is a 16-liter ice box, which is perfect for 1 or 2 person. It lasts for about 24 hours. My ice cold water, just to show you a little bit. I actually just grab whatever I have in my fridge at home, which is basically nothing much. Oh well, this is a little bit haram, sorry. Some fruit juice, some sauces, vegetables, fresh vegetables. This is fresh lettuce, an orange, butter garlic, and some butter. Yeah, this is basically it. A really simple, basic necessity. On bigger and longer camping trips, I will put some meat, some seafood, or some cheese tofu. Yeah, I really love cheese tofu, I know. If I have company, I would also bring more drinks or more haram stuff, sorry.
And That concludes my video today. Essentially, a good camping experience does not require much. As long as you have the basic gears and a positive attitude and spirit, you will enjoy the whole process. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave your comments down below and let me know if you're interested in more contents like this. Also, I appreciate any suggestions on any good campsites, places to explore, or any topic that you would like me to talk about in my next video. My name is June. Thanks for watching. Cheers!